some stuff going on there. Is that ticklish?
Yeah.
Okay. Deep breath in. All the way up. Yeah. See you. That ticklish, you tighten those muscles up, and the next thing I can't move. You know that. See this? You see how nice and loose this side is right here? You feel how that's not the same. Yep. Alright. So lift the head up a little bit. We're going to roll this way.
Oh.
There we go. Good. Outstanding. Alright. Go ahead and flip over laying on your back, okay?
Hey, I can do that.
That's good, right?
Must have already cured me.
There you go.
Alright, so what you're going to do is cross your arms like this. Like you're giving yourself a big hug. Now I'm going to put my hand up underneath you. That's going to be a little push. I think we got it all already. Good. Relax your arms. Feel that right there? That just feels like a big knot right there. Alright. Just relax. There we go. You gotta relax.
I don't know if I can.
Okay. There we go. You felt that one?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to put a little pressure right there. That might be a little uncomfortable. Do you get stuff at the base of your skull a lot?
No.
Okay, good. I'm just not happy with that.
Trying a massage.
Well, we do that here as well.
True. Need to make an appointment with Pam.
I think a massage would do you good, especially with the shoulder. Because you know this is all on this side, right? The shoulder blade, the shoulder being tight,
Yeah.
and then this right here. This stuff is not by accident. I'm going to be right up underneath your skull here. I'm going to give it a little pull. Just hold on. You might feel a little, like, a little pop, 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 or it may just not. It may just slide a little bit. You okay?
Yeah.
Don't freak out. It's okay. There it went.
Wow. That
Okay.
was awesome.
Alright, come on up. There we go. Alright. Take a nice deep breath. Feels a little better?
Yeah.
Good.
I wish I could do that myself. You know, I was going to do this to
You know, I wish I could do that myself too. The honest truth, everybody asks me, do you adjust yourself? I'm like, no, I can't. I can't grab my head and turn it. When people do that, it's very dangerous.
People do like that.
That's very dangerous. They can
I
actually
can't do
hurt
it.
themselves
I
doing
can't
that.
do
So,
it either.
yeah, it's bad for you. It's good that you
But
keep
that
doing
felt good.
it. Yes, we actually probably made you a little bit taller.
Oh,
So,
there you
just
go.
kidding. No, so that last one, just that little bit of distraction. A lot of times, you know, just because we carry a head around on our shoulders all the time, and that a lot of that walking and stuff that you do, sometimes that stuff will start jamming that neck down. So that pulling out just helps create a little more space in there. So it should feel a little better.
Okay.
Okay? All right. Well, let's talk about coming back.
All right.